No degree? No problem. The $0 path to your first cybersecurity job. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need $10,000 in student loans. And you definitely don't need to be a genius. I'm going to show you the exact $0 roadmap to land your first cybersecurity job in 2026. No degree. No money. No problem. Step 1. Free training. Skip the boot camps. Go to TryHackMe and finish their free pre-security and intro to cyber paths. That gives you hands-on labs without spending a dime. Step 2. Build a free home lab. Build a home lab for exactly $0. Download VirtualBox and install Kali Linux and Security Onion. Then simulate an attack on your own machine and detect it using the free SIEM tools. That's not homework. That's your portfolio. Put it on GitHub and link it on your resume. Employers love hands-on, not hand-holding. Now certifications. You don't need CISSP, but you do need one. CompTIA Security Plus. Here's the trick. Apply for the CompTIA Academic Partner Voucher if you know any student. Or use free exam retake vouchers from workforce development programs. Some states literally give them away. Google Workforce Cybersecurity Voucher. No degree. No debt. Just discipline. Your first SOS analyst job is 4 to 6 months away if you start today. Comment roadmap, and I'll DM you the free 6-month checklist. Now go break into security, legally. Like and subscribe for more $0 career hacks.